Hi, I am Nicolás de Jesús. I'm from Ameyaltepec, the Nahua region of Guerrero. My first language is Nahuatl, not Spanish. And we preserve our language in a lot of communities in different regions in Mexico and different states. Well, we receive this tradition in our communities. We are the contemporary tlacuilos or painters because our language is the pre-Hispanic language. And then we receive it from our mother, our father, this tradition of paintings or making clay, different figures with wood in other communities. And we learn very natural because if we see this image, it's a picture where you can see a woman with her baby, and she's making a drawing. The baby is looking how the mother is mixing the emotions on the paper, no? And then it's very natural. This how we get this artwork. Well, if you want to see more of my artwork, you can visit my website. Is nicolasdejesus.com, or you can find more artworks by Google, or you can visit to my community, Ameyaltepec, un panamechia, un patitequimantotoque no chipa, wausequimatokniwan, kiama Eusebio Díaz, Alfonso Lorenzo, miakete, oxequimaquinotequipantotoque, un patamechia.